In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "it's not you, it's me" error in Copilot when you see that something went wrong message. If Copilot suddenly stops working and shows this error, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through the most effective things to try so you can get Copilot working again as quickly as possible. First, completely close your browser or the Copilot app. Then open it again. This refreshes the connection and clears minor glitches that can happen if the session gets stuck. If you're on a computer, make sure the window fully closes before reopening it. If you're using the app, close it completely rather than just minimizing it. Next, check your internet connection. Open another website or online service to confirm that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If other sites are also slow or not loading, the problem may be your connection rather than Copilot itself. In that case, reconnecting to your network can help. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes become corrupted, which may lead to loading problems or sign-in errors in Copilot. Clearing that data gives your browser a clean start. Keep in mind that this may sign you out of some websites, so be ready to log back in where needed. The next thing to try is logging out of your Microsoft account and then logging back in. This forces a fresh authentication session, which can help if the error is related to account verification or an expired login session. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily and test Copilot again. Sometimes Copilot blocks or struggles with connections coming from certain server locations, so turning off the VPN can make a difference right away. If you're using Copilot in a web browser, try disabling your browser extensions or open an incognito or private window and test it there. This is a quick way to find out whether an extension, such as an ad blocker, privacy tool, or security add-on, is interfering with the service. Finally, wait a few minutes and try again. This specific error is often caused by temporary server issues on Microsoft's side, and if that's the case, the best fix is simply giving it a little time before retrying. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope your Copilot is working properly again.